Okay, so how to define conversion in Google Ads? So basically, in very simple words, I can put it as conversion is when someone clicks on your Google ad. So in terms of Google Ads, is when someone clicks on your Google ad and they either land on your website, your page, your landing page, and they go ahead and buy that product or take action. That is a conversion. So, there is, for example, the option to set a target cost per action for the conversion focused maximize conversions bidding strategy, as you can see right here. So, the goal with this bidding strategy, which is the default, is to get you as many conversions as possible based on your budget. Okay, so by setting a target cost per action, you're telling Google how much you want to pay on average for each individual action. For example, each purchase, you're willing to pay that much. Now, lower bids may mean that you pay less overall, which can give you more room in the budget for additional potential clicks, but you want to be careful though, because while these tools are helpful to keep acquisition costs where you need them to be for profitability, going too low can lower the overall quality of clicks that you get. So as a result, you'll want to keep, a close eye on the impact of any bidding strategies or bid caps that you set to ensure they're actually helping and not harming your campaign. So basically, let's say you set it too low, right? Then people will click on it, but they're not converting. They're not buying anything. The qualities of the clicks are really low. So you want to choose that optimal amount where it is a reasonable amount, they're clicking and they're high quality enough that they can go ahead and make that purchase. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.